Morning students, today we study about the plant kingdom, lesson 3rd, class 11th biology. Here the total plant kingdom is summarized at a glance along with the classification also, and some few of the characteristic features, the main characteristic features are also described along with. So let us go through the kingdom plantae or plant kingdom. Plant kingdom is generally divided into two main groups. First is the cryptogames and second is the phanerogames. Cryptogames consisting of the hidden reproductive organs without flower and seed. That is, we can say that cryptogames doesn't consisting of flowers and seed. These are the non-flowering plants, and this is the very, we can say that the simple type of plants. So cryptogames further subdivided into three groups: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. So Thallophyta means in which body is thallus-like. That is, body doesn't divide into root, stem and leaf. Body is the thallus-like. And generally thallophytes belong to algae. क्योंकि फंगी हमने सेपरेट 5 किंगडम सिस्टम में डिस्कस किया था, तो हियर ओनली एल्गी आर देयर. एल्गी मींस, एल्गी का नाम याद लेते ही एक बात आती है कि एल्गी प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द वाटर एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द एल्गी रिमेन्स इनसाइड द वाटर बॉडीज. तो एल्गी आर फर्दर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द presence of the chlorophyll in them. Three types of algae are there. Chlorophyceae, these are the green algae consisting of chlorophyll A and B especially. Phaeophyceae, these are the brown algae consisting of chlorophyll A, C and xanthophyll. Xanthophyll is the main pigment of Phaeophyceae, जिसके कारण इनका कलर ब्राउन होता है. And next is the Rhodophyceae, that is red algae. It consisting of chlorophyll A and phycoerythrin. All the algae are very important because they play a very important role to convert the carbon dioxide into oxygen. Or we can say that oxygen, mainly huge amount of oxygen is produced by the algae, and this oxygen is utilized by the animals which are already present inside the water bodies as well as in the environment too. Now some algae are also used as the edible, है ना. Edible algae are also there, means वो खाने के काम में लाते हैं, just like the spirulina and chlorella. Chlorella and spirulina have the huge protein content, तो as a protein भी खाई जाती हैं, और स्पेशली जो स्पेस में अंतरिक्ष में जो यात्री जाते हैं, they use the chlorella as the food. Now Bryophyta. Bryophytes are also known as amphibians of plant kingdom. This is very important 1 mark question. Bryophytes are known as amphibians of plant kingdom. क्यों? Because they use water for fertilization. Just like the amphibian, जैसे water को जैसे frog को fertilization के लिए water की आवश्यकता होती है. In the same manner, bryophytes also need water. Their sperm need water for fertilization. वो वाटर के माध्यम से ही, है ना, एम्फिडिया फोर से निकलकर आर्चिगोनियम तक वाटर के माध्यम से ही वो जाते हैं. इन ब्रायोफाइट्स दे हैव द देयर प्लांट बॉडी हैव स्टेम, रूट एंड लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. नॉट ट्रू, दे हैव द स्टेम, रूट एंड लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, है ना. दे आर फर्दर सबडिवाइडेड इनटू टू ग्रुप्स: लीवरवर्ट्स, जिनकी स्ट्रक्चर लीवर के समान होती है, एंड मोसेस. लीवरवर्ट्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिक्सिया एंड मार्केंसिया, दोनों प्लांट रिक्सिया एंड मार्केंसिया, इनकी जो स्ट्रक्चर होती है जस्ट लाइक द लीवर, लाइक दिस. तो हियर इन द केस ऑफ मार्केंसिया द मेल एंड फीमेल थैलस आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप, दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं. मोसेस इंक्लूडिंग फुनेरिया, that is moss. Funaria, body of Funaria having the 3 part. This is the leaf-like structure. This is capsule. This is rhizoids. root-like structure, and these are the leaf-like structure. So this is the body of the Mosul funaria. Now Pteridophyta. Pteridophytes, these are the first vascular cryptogames. One mark important question, because first time the vascular bundle, that is xylem and phloem, seen in the pteridophytes. So this is very important. Evolution के point of view से this is very important one. It is subdivided into 4 classes. कौन सी क्लास है भाई? Psilopsida. For example, Psilotum. Psilotum is the example of Psilopsida. Lycopsida, example is the Lycopodium. Sphenopsida, example is the Equisetum. Pteropsida, example is the Paris, Dryopteris, and Adiantum. These are the example of the pteridophytes. Pteridophytes have the underground stem. Their stem is embedded beneath the soil. And one more important characteristic of pteridophytes is that after a forest fire, pteridophytes are the plants which grow first. सबसे पहले उगने वाली वेजिटेशन जंगल में आग लगने के बाद आपके होते हैं pteridophytes. क्यों? बिकॉज इनका जो स्टेम होता है वो अंडरग्राउंड होता है. नाउ सेकेंड ग्रुप ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम इज द phanerogames. Phanerogames are they have the evident reproductive organs as well as flower and seeds. They have the flower and seeds because these phanerogames have the well defined reproductive organs जो दिखाई भी देते हैं. Just like the carpel is the female reproductive part and stamen is the male reproductive part. इनके flower में होते हैं. They have the complete flower and they also have the flower and seeds. से flower होता है उसमें seeds भी होते हैं. These are subdivided into 2 subgroups, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymno means naked, angiosperm sperma means seed. That is, they have the naked seed. Here seed doesn't enclose with the ovary wall. Ovary wall में seed enclose नहीं होते हैं, तो इन्हें कहते हैं gymnosperm. Just like the cycas and pinus. Cycas and pinus have an important role because cycas have the coralloid roots. This is very important one. Some fungi associates with the root of the cycas and they participates in the nitrogen fixation. So they have the coralloid roots, while the pinus have the symbiotic association along with the fungi. It form the mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is the very important example in the case of pinus. Cycas also provide some edible food, that is sago. Sago palm is there. Cycas revoluta. This is very important 1 mark question. Cycas revoluta is give. That is sago palm, जिसे हम कहते हैं साबूदाना. And pinus give rise the चिलगोजा, जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं. तो this is about the gymnosperm. The tallest gymnosperm is the redwood tree. That is Sequoia semipervineus is the tallest gymnosperm. Now angiosperm. Angiosperm have the seed enclosed inside the ovary. है ना? Seed enclosed inside the ovary. It is further. They are further divided into 2 subgroups, that is monocots and dicots. Actually, angiosperm are the advanced type of plant group, or angiosperm advanced plant group, है ना? In the plant kingdom. Now, angiosperms are divided into 2 parts: monocots, which consisting of only single cotyledon, just like all cereals. Cereals means wheat, barley, oat, है ना? Millets, pearl millets, etc. These are the monocots. Dicots consisting of the 2 cotyledons. That is, they have 2 cotyledons. For example, mainly all pulses as well as peanuts, almond, etc. All these are the dicots. Now, this is all about plant kingdom. Thank you and have a nice day.